Ever find yourself enraged by the headlines, currency fluctuation, thinking I could profit from that? Well, today is your lucky day. Welcome to Beginner's Guide to Forex Trading. Get ready to embark on accelerating journey through the world of currency exchange. Now, Forex or foreign exchange is all about buying and selling currencies, predicting their rise or fall in value. Now picture yourself exchanging dollars for Kenyan shillings before a vacation. That is Forex in action. But how much do you need to start Forex? That is a question. Maybe a beginner may ask me that question. Now forget about get rich quick scheme. Forex demands dedication, not just dollars. You can kick off with as little as $100. But remember, it is about investing in your financial knowledge. You have to prepare to immerse into learning markets. Now, the biggest mistake that beginners make on Forex trading is that they jump in blind. Don't do that. We have platforms such as Webull. Webull offers a fantastic learning resources. They have user-friendly dashboard that makes the process smooth. So take your time and then head on to this app called Webull and then start learning Forex trading. We have many resources that you can rely on learning Forex trade before you start taking this trading. Now, if you are a beginner and you want to start trading, the next thing that you need to do is that you need to figure out your trading style. For example, you may ask yourself this question. I want to trade. Which type of trader do I want to be? A skepter, a day trader, or a swing trader? Skepter holds trade for a short burst. Day trader for few hours, and swing trader holds for long stretches. For example, if you are a swing trader, those are people who takes a lot of time trading. For example, they can trade for months, for years. We have also a day trader. A day trader are those people who trade only for few hours. So you have to find your personality before starting taking trading. Now let's talk about brokers. These are platforms you will be using to buy and sell currencies. Picking a reliable, secure broker is crucial. Do your research, compare fees, and choose what fits you. Now, before starting trading, you must choose, compare, do your thorough research on which broker are you going to trust. Because you have a lot of brokers out there, and remember to do your own thorough research and see which type of broker suits you and also suits your budget. Now, the next thing that you need to do is that to have a strategy. With the countless strategies out there, we will delve into specific in future videos. But remember, having a plan is a compass in Forex market. These are just but the beginning of your Forex journey. In our next video, we will dive deeper into topics to equip you with advanced strategies. Hungry for more? Smash that like button, subscribe for upcoming content, and share your trading style in the comment section below. Let's transform you from a newbie to a savvy trade. Until the next time, bye.